Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is currencies. And in currencies, basically, we are talking about one topic, that is ideas. Ideas equal to global warming. In this, basically, we are talking about the one system, basically, that is 20 percentage education error. So, one of the person given this best example, basically, of the marriage also, basically. Now, basically, one person told that, basically, Arey yaar, he is basically educated, he is basically good person, basically, he is having good experience also, then also he is not getting the. So his education basically converted into the error, basically. Who basically? This entire system, basically. So one of the person watched this video and told that, basically, can we finish the entire education system, basically? Then he told that how basically you can finish the entire system, basically, because entire world is basically 80 percentage world basically is created on the base of the education system, basically. Then how basically? Then basically he told that, basically, how basically the one person basically who got the divorce and he is educated also, then also basically he is not getting the job, and his education basically converted into error, basically. Some group, basically, in that, basically, Bollywood group jumped into this, that Mumbai city, that in front of the world is not as Mumbai city, so in front of the world basically it is other country, other city, basically. So like this, basically, lots of people jumped into this, like this, lots of things basically happened. Yes, basically that is there. So that is basically converted into the error, basically. That basically converted into error, basically. System has converted this into the error, basically. That this person is not supposed to have girl for the second marriage, because the first girl marriage basically are so very powerful, basically. So like this, basically, the system basically fired that particular poor boy, basically. That time, basically. Then one of the person told that system basically connects to the sky also, basically. Then he told that yes, yes, system connects to the sky also, basically. So one of the person told that if you are getting error basically in the education, your system is converted into the error. That means from sky also some group basically are connected with this group, basically. That group might be lost. Those group basically who might be finished in front of the world, basically. Then he told that yes, exactly, basically. So how many groups basically are finished in front of the world, basically? That data somebody asked. Then he told that these all are the groups. That means these groups are also basically helping that group, basically. Then he told that exactly correct, yeah, basically. Some groups are basically helping that groups also, basically. Like this also, basically, you can say, basically. So this person basically who was good qualified, good experienced person, somebody converted into error, basically. So the his education basically converted into error, basically. This type of thing, basically. So this is also error, basically. That is 20 percentage education error, basically. Somebody is trying to find out, basically, but this error basically can convert into 40 percentage also, and that time basically it will be 80 percentage of education end, basically. Mostly basically this is going to happen, basically, because entire creation basically has created, for example, the CRM system basically created by the software industry, that basically has created lots of human needs, basically. Like petrol they have created oil, they have created vegetables, and they have kept in the cold storage room, basically, so that basically they can use in for future, basically, so that whenever the demand ends is going to apply, basically, whenever the demand is going to come, that time basically they can supply the demand, basically, supply the data in the form of the demand, basically. Then he told that yes, basically, but that also basically converted into the error only, basically. Why? Because human body itself converted into the error, basically. Human body actually itself converted into the error, basically.
This call is from Immigration Consultants. Are you looking for Canada PR or Australia PR or overseas opportunities? Press 1 if interested, press 2 if not interested.
So like this, basically, the education system has converted into error, basically. Like this, basically, the education system has converted into error, basically. That is 20 percentage error, basically. So one of the person told that yeah, somebody actually literally converted this into error, basically. That is the system basically of the India basically, because these 200 people basically are from India basically. They converted into the error basically. They has converted na basically. That is a system basically. That is India's system basically. And India supporter basically, whole world basically is India is supporting basically. Whole world basically is supporting India basically. Canada is literally telling that basically India is our friend basically. USA is telling, USA basically started celebrating the Diwali also. They started giving the holiday also to the India basically. Because they know basically the system basically of India basically. Then one of the person told that basically this 200 basically are the group basically who actually got the error and basically they converted into the disease basically. So one of the doctor told that basically yaar inko this people were supposed to die basically, but they have not died basically. The system basically not allowed us to kill that particular person basically. So that type of word also basically came. That type of words also basically came in the forum basically. So doctor basically told that basically we will become murderer also basically. Like this basically the how many people basically died in this? 50 crore people basically. So one of the person told that is India responsible for this basically 50 crore died basically across the world basically. So that basically to cover up this everything basically fuel war basically started. So that this can be cover up basically. So that basically anybody is trying to find this error basically, then this error basically can be cover up from the war basically, so that the mind of the world basically will divert to another direction basically. And this 200 people basically who basically got the error basically, that error can be divert. That is the 50 crore people who died. That basically mind can be divert to some other direction basically. For that basically somebody told that basically we will start the war basically, so that basically nobody can able to track that basically, which was 200 error due to system basically. That was cyber cell group basically came into picture, Supreme Court, High Court, education system basically, software companies basically in the India basically, school, colleges, hospitals, this all basically become one basically, has become one. And basically they have told that basically we will not help this 200 people. Due to that 200 people, the universe basically connected to the error basically, and this converted it to the 50 crore people died. And this 50 crore actually was murder basically done by Indian system basically, Indian system group basically. That also you can say directly. So in this basically Indian system group basically connects which all countries, that basically are France, USA, UK, Pakistan, Israel, Italy. These all are basically the Indian systems group basically. They basically say that basically we have to save the India system basically, otherwise this 50 crore basically will create problem to the India country basically in future basically. For that basically somebody told that basically we will start the war, so that basically people's mind, the world basically mind will divert to that particular war, and they will forget, they will basically remove, they will basically forgive this 200 people basically who actually due to that basically the error basically tracked basically. And this error basically was due to India system, that are basically the Supreme Court, High Court, school, colleges, institute, education system, then the software companies, big software companies, small software companies. Big software company equal to small means their employee will basically create this big software, and small, sorry, they only basically create the small software companies. Like Microsoft Corporation basically, they basically their employee basically have lots of thousands of software companies basically in the world basically. So like this basically they told that basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the India system.